Hi there. In this folder of mine, you can see some files are there like images, video, Word file, etc. The file size is 2.11 megabytes. But somehow I lost them. I cannot find any file here. But the folder still shows the size that was 2.11 megabytes. So, it means the files are there but in hidden mode. Let's find them. Inside that folder, go to View. Show. Finally tick on Hidden Items. Yup, the files are now seen. They are a bit blurry here, but is open normally. To make them like earlier, simply highlight all. Right-click. Properties. And then untick this hidden box. Those files are again in normal condition. By this way, you can get any file back if you accidentally hide it. If the video helped you, then please like the video. Share your experience on the comment box. Subscribe to Josephit. Goodbye.